Hey guys, back again with this machine which I've just built, and it didn't last long. Yeah, I came home after leaving the machine on all day. I went out, did a few jobs, and came back, and I noticed that it was oddly quiet. And that's when I realised the power supply fan had given up. So what I'll do is I'll turn this around. You can see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to turn the machine on, and it might be a bit hard to see. In fact, what I'll do, I'll shine a flashlight in there. You can kind of see it. Yeah, that's all it does. Yeah, not good. So I had to get a new fan. Yeah, so I just got another 80mm fan here online. It just arrived in the post today, so I can get rid of my bodge job. And yeah, let's take this lid off, do a quick repair. Just gotta undo all my cable management here. A few adapters. I've zip tied another fan in here. I'm doing this the lazy way. There we go. So yeah, you can see my fan up here that I zip tied on. So what I want to know with this is the 12 or 5 volt rail, whatever it's using, is that any good, or is it the fan that's failed? I'm hoping it's just the fan. Otherwise I'm going to have to wire in this external plug. There it is. New fan matches up as well, so that's good. So I got the right size. Let's cut these wires, strip back positive and negative. Okay, it's a bit dodgy doing this over an open computer. But if I'm careful, I won't put a bunch of solder slag in the power supply. Now what I'm going to do is something really dangerous. I'm going to plug this back in, and I just want to see on my multimeter if I'm getting the correct voltage. Okay, multimeter's hooked up. Turn the power on the front, and just for a moment I just want to see. Yeah, we're getting our 12 volts. Putting some heat shrink tubing over the wires now. came undone while I was trying to solder it. So I've tinned both wires, so I'm hoping I can just put a little bit of fresh stuff like that, fuse it together. Cool, once again I'm just going to use my lighter stick. Doesn't need much. There we go. Cool, and lastly, just a classic zip tie to hold the wiring. Doesn't need a whole lot. And actually, while I'm here, and get rid of my temporary fan job. Alright, we'll power it up and see if this thing works. Okay, mains is connected. Cool. We are good to put the power supply back together. Treat this whole thing back in there. Okay, everything's back together. It took a while, but wow, that new fan is so much quieter. Yeah, we've done a good job putting that back together. Don't know how often this is going to happen, but I'm going to try and put the case back together. Cool, well with that all being said and done, this is all wrapped up, ready to go back into service again. Got the old fan out as well. Yeah, so it was quite loud and just blowy because, well, it's hooked straight to 12 volts, so yeah, it was an easy fix. This fan was about 10-15 NZ dollars. That's a deep cool fan as well, X-Fan 80. But yeah, did the job pretty good and happy. As I said, easy fix, gets this machine back in service. Alright everyone, I'll leave you to the rest of your holiday season, and yeah, catch you all soon in the next video. Alrighty, bye for now.